This is our AUK dual port kit. We'll use this in any router table or any scenario where you want to be connecting 4-inch or 100mm pipe, a 2.5-inch or 65mm pipe, and going into 100mm or 4-inch connection going off to your shop vac. It comes all the components you need to fix onto either our JessEm router table here or our INCRA router table. It also has 2 parts of dust extraction pipe coming into it. It comes with the fittings included, so you've got one for your 100mm pipe and 2 connectors for your 65mm pipe. Or for convenience, you could use our AUK pipe clips if you're moving your dust extraction around. These are much quicker and easier for change around if you're moving around your dust extraction equipment on a regular basis. Check out all of these products on our website, or check in the link below for a video more about our quick clip clamps as well. And also watch us on our social media channels.